SUAPP AIR. Registration and installation. First, open your browser. Type SUAPP.ai in the address bar. You will enter the SUAPP AI homepage. Click Login in the top right corner. If you don't have an account, you can register on this page. After logging in, click Create to access the SUAPP AI web version. Select the product you need to enter. On the homepage, click Pricing to choose a plan based on your needs. For download, SUAPP AI supports multiple software. Download and install the plugin version you need. Install AIR for SketchUp. Open Extension Manager in SketchUp. Add the downloaded plugin. Open AIR and log in to start using it. Install AIR for Rhino. Method 1. Drag the plugin into the Rhino window. Installation is complete. Type AIR in the command line to open it. Method 2. Open Package Manager, search for AIR, and click Install. Install AIR for Revit. Run the installer after downloading. You will see the AIR icon in the top toolbar of Revit. Install AIR for 3ds Max. Drag the plugin file into 3ds Max to complete installation. Install AIR for Blender. Open Preferences in Blender. Click Install from Disk. Select the AIR file you downloaded. Confirm to install. Find SUAPP AI in the menu and open AIR.